From BCP Trading International Corporation. Welcome to our series of Learn More about Reiner. Since we are in a community quarantine and we are limited to go outside, we decided to do it online. Allow me to introduce to you our handheld industrial marking equipment. Reiner Company exists in 1913 and BCP is the exclusive distributor here in the Philippines. Reiner handheld inkjet printers is made in Germany. It can print at different kinds of substrate and materials, such as plastic, cans, bottles, and papers. It can print numbers, letters, graphics, barcodes, and even QR code. Images can be created through PC and laptop and transmitted via USB and Bluetooth. It has a rechargeable battery. Now, let me show to you the different models of our Reiner handheld inkjet printer. We have here the Reiner JetStamp 792, the JetStamp 790, JetStamp 970. We also have the JetStamp 1025, the Speed iJet 798, the Reiner 940. Our printer comes with a free software. In this software, you can create the graphics and barcodes that you need. Now, are you curious about how our printer works? Let me show it to you. This is the JetStamp 790. We already installed the images that we need. That's it for our today's video. Stay tuned for our next video discussing more Reiner products. Thank you for watching. Hope you learn about our Reiner handheld inkjet printer. If you have any questions about our products, please leave a comment below and we will be happy to answer your questions. Bye! Stay safe everyone!